Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 minute. So initially when you are logging into Oracle, note down the password. Have you contacted that guy?
Yeah, I did speak to Steffi. She told me that I should have got the access, remote access over this weekend, but there isn't any update yet.
Okay. No, I given another number, right?
Oh no, sir, I haven't been able to contact them. I will try
After
to.
that. Okay. So the username is operations. Note down. Operations always the default username for the Oracle practice. Okay.
Okay,
The password is welcome.
okay.
Small letters all only. Okay. So this should be the normal one. Welcome. Okay. So left side you can see all the responsibilities. Okay. So these are all the responsibility where we call cash management, general ledger, put control F. It will have all the. So we are going to see general ledger vision operation USA. Directly you can select or you can go to other module and you can change the responsibility. So I'm clicking on something called reversal. So it will open a Java page and then it will go to Oracle page. Okay.
So I'm not able to see the content.
Sorry.
This one. Okay, yes, it's that.
Right, I'll put the full screen. Now,
Yes, sir.
right. Okay. So we are in general ledger vision operation USA. So I teach you the basic theories. Okay. Now, what I told initially, segments you'll create, right? Correct?
Yes, sir. Four C's.
Yes. Okay. So first, set up financial flex field key segment. See the navigation top, set up financial. So this is arrow mark you told, no? The arrow mark is coming right and this we call navigation path. So here
Okay.
only you will go to and create a segment. Click it. Okay. So here it is graded out. Just give the F11 key. See, all are covered in the exercise, what I given. F11. So it will come in the blue. Just because whatever inside it will come here. Okay. Whatever exists in the system, it will be covered here. So general ledger, I'm going to query. So first I given F11. Now control F11.
Okay.
Okay. See, general ledger, GL ledger flex field. So this is not the one we are looking. Just click down, click down. So accounting key flex field, accounting flex field. See, in the general ledger application, we are going to create under accounting flex field. Okay, just click
Okay.
here and top add button is there. Go there, new. So we are going to create a new chart of account out of the 4C.
Okay.
We are going to create a
New chart of
new chart of account. Okay, so what is chart of account?
So they are the accounts. That is the company, its vendors, its suppliers, its clients. Uh, Also the date. That is the calendar. Uh, Calendar, currency, and
Yeah, 4C. See, you easily remember a journal entry. First, you will write a date, then particulars, right? Then
yes.
currency. So the date, what is that? Calendar, chart of account,
And
currency, then accounting flex field or subledger accounting convention or subledger. So that's what you will easily remember and you can explain one by one. So what's your full name? We can start creating Muhammad Arish, right?
yes, Mohammed R.
So MA chart of account I am creating. So
Okay.
maybe we'll create a new group called MA Wipro group. Okay. For a Wipro, for example, we are creating a chart of accounts. Tab. Always use the tab. It will account. Then only instead of using mouse, if you use tab. Okay.
Sure.
Mm, So see here, what is freeze flex field? See, if it is enabled, I cannot do anything here. I will not edit. See here, segment. It is all graded out, right?
Okay.
So what happened, other than the super user or the key manager, nobody else will have the access. So you can freeze it. Now I'm unfreezing. It is enabled. This chart of account, I don't want this, I can disable. Segment separator is a period dot. I given the period. Okay. See, what is this dot? We are giving dot dot, right? You can give pipe or custom anything. If I give dash, it will come as dash. What is
Okay.
cross-validation segment we did in theory, right? You remember cross-validate segments.
Yes, sir. We cross-validate the dates and the entries.
Sorry, can you elaborate?
The entries that have been put, just like double entry bookkeeping, they need to be cross-validated. For example, when we are putting an entry, it needs to go into the right accounts.
Okay. So chart of account is a cross-validate segment. What do you mean is, suppose I told there are 5 branches in India, Wipro is having, maybe even in Chennai or Bangalore, they are having multiple location. Maybe they want to locate, see the income by location wise. They don't want to see one location should not see other location income. Okay. So they can restrict through cross-validation segment. So if you can enable, you can create it. Freeze roll-up group is used for the reports. Okay, right. Just go to segment. So number one segment, I am going to create what we given MA, right? Or AM,
Yes,
what we give initial, wherever you add your initial MA we started. So you can easily query, okay? At any time you can query.
okay,
Right. See, I am giving MA business first segment. Okay.
okay,
Tab column. So business should be the first segment, means you have to give number one. Normally everywhere you see company, department, account. Okay.
hmm,
So that's why you can rearrange it also. Okay.
okay,
So it is not that you have to do like this only. You can rearrange, you can put department first. That is based on you and your business decision. Maybe the business wants such a design, you can do that. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So how many segments maximum is there? Maximum 30, minimum 2. Without 2 segment, you cannot create it. Okay. So
Okay.
what do you think are the mandatory segment?
So the mandatory would be first the business,
Yeah,
second would
business or
be
company.
business or
Second,
company, second would be bank.
bank.
Yes, sir.
So bank comes under what?
Uh, General ledger. Sorry, no. Cash management, CM.
Bank comes under cash management. Okay. What I can say, it should be account, right? Segment
Uh,
is account. You create all the account. Okay.
okay. So that will be cash account,
Cash
cash
account will
flow.
come under account, no, under assets. I'll tell you.
Yes.
Segment 2. MA account. Give me 1 minute. Okay. So what happens? Account, what are the types of account we will create?
So multiple, that is vendor account, a client's account, that is creditor, debtor.
Type of account in finance. So in other way, you can say asset type, asset, liability, expense, income. Okay.
Mhm.
So segment 3. Same. So mandatory is account and business. Okay. First we created segment. Second step we assign the segment. This is the steps how it will come. Next we'll create a value set. I told no value set 2, 3 or 4. You can go to another navigation or here itself we can create. So we'll create for business. So here I'll give business. So how many type of business you think Wipro has maximum?
Sir, around 37.
Sorry, 27.
No,
Okay.
37. 37.
Okay. So so you are discussing with the Wipro managers and finally deciding maximum it can go to another 10 or 15. Okay. So anyway, if they started another software division, it is under software business. So I'm giving 2. That means maximum is 99, correct?
Okay.
Okay. So I created here my MA business. I'm adding value set here. Same. Okay. Next I'll create MA cost center. Just I'm giving 3 maximum department will be more, right?
Yes, sir.
All discussion after that we will give here. MA account.
This will also require 3.
Account I am giving 5. 5 digits. Right. So, okay. Now what we created third step, first we create segment, second we assign the segment. Third we are given the value set created. Fourth, assign the value set to the correct segment. Okay. Now, how system will know this is only business, this is only account? We have to tell the system, right, Oracle?
Yes, we have to give description of it.
Okay. So description also system will not understand. So there is a qualifier we call flex field qualifier. Just go there. So for company,
Yes.
I am giving balancing segment. What is balancing segment? Typically for the company segment, balancing means debit and credit should be equal.
Okay.
Say, okay. So this will make sure that wherever you enter a debit, the credit should be equal. Otherwise, the journal cannot be posted. Okay.
Okay.
Cost center or department, what will be here? Cost center segment. Okay. Say third. Say if I missed it, it will ask account. Natural account. Okay. So like that you can give. Mandatory is whatever here. Otherwise it is optional. Okay. Then only system will work. So we have given the 5 steps. Close it. Freeze. Save it. So compiling flex field. That means this table name backend it is updating. So how to check whether it is completed? Go to view. So it's a backend program will run after the everything. Find. So if it is red, it is error. Okay.
Okay.
You see here, it is working. It says green. It is good. Completed normal. It doesn't have any error. So whatever we created, otherwise we can go and see the view report, view output or view log. What is the issue? And we have to correct it. Okay.
Okay.
5 steps. What we done?
So we went into the setup. We created the company of MA.
So can you get my system here? Can you get me request to work now here? 1
No,
minute.
sorry.